Pine, or mänty, as we say in Finnish, is a very vital, important, extremely amazing tree in the Finnish folklore and folk healing. Pine is the tree of the sun. Pine carries us through this season of transition. We're living now in the season when winter is ending, we're turning towards spring. And now this season challenges us. Always the changing of seasons are hard on us, and we need some extra care. And for this season, pine is of the essence. Pine helps our respiratory system, it helps our breathing, it helps our lungs, it helps our breath to flow smoothly. And the aromatherapy of the pine also rejuvenates our mind, our mood, makes us happy, and makes our mood light. And this is exactly what we need under a long, heavy winter of darkness. Pine is the sun when we need it the most now after the season of darkness. Walking in a pine forest when the sun is shining is extremely healthy. Pine oozes out its aromatherapy in the heat of the sun. And can you imagine what it does in the heat of the sauna? In the sauna, pine is your true companion. And in the folk healing, we have done a lot of sauna bathing with the pine. Pine has been used as a vihta to treat you externally, and pine has been used for its aromatherapy. In the heat and moist of the sauna, you really get the benefits of the pine. And pine has been also, the needles have been used for teas and tinctures, used internally. So pine has really looked after our health. Pine has also been made into the tart, and this terva has been used for different ointments, also breathing, but especially when something is wrong with the skin, it's really antibacterial and healing for wounds and skin problems. And as well as the resin of the pine, the resin also has been used just as an ointment, but also it has been dried and burned and used as a very purifying smoke for sauna rituals, but also for other purposes. And pine has not just carried us in our sauna healing and sauna rituals. Pine has also been used to make cribs for babies and coffins for the deceased. We have used it for furniture, basically anything. Pine has carried us throughout our life. And pine is amazing. It can survive even the forest fire. The skin of the pine, the bark of the pine is really amazing. It's almost like a snake skin. It renews, and it's really thick and protective. And truly, a pine can survive the forest fire, and thus carry on the seeds of life. And pines live for a long time. 200, 300 years is just normal. Even up to 700, 800 years, pines have been recorded to live. And pine is considered in the Finnish folklore like the tree of the sun, tree of the bear also. Bear is said to be born under a pine tree. Bear is lowered from the skies, from the heavens, in a golden carriage and with silver ropes under the pine tree, or into the arms of the pine tree. And from there the bear is born. And when the bear in the bear rituals, this karhunpeijainen, the bear rituals, we have first killed the bear and have the marriage ceremony of the bear. And in the end of the ritual, the skull of the bear is then brought next to the pine tree and hooked on the branches of the pine tree to face the east, the rising sun. So yeah, pine plays an essential role in the mythology of the bear. And now is the season that the bear rituals have been performed in this end winter, midwinter season. And pine carries this ritual also, as well as our health. And another word for pine has been petäjä, It's more in the east, maybe eastern dialects. It means really a big, large growing pine tree. And another one that is well known is honga. Honga is maybe the more of the west, but it refers to the old dried up pine tree, because pine, when even if it dries up, it still stays standing, and it has been used for a lot of ritual purposes in this form. In general, pine tree has marked a ritual site, and pine trees have also marked different transition points in life. In different events, we have gathered on a pine tree and made marks on its bark, and thus this pine tree has represented those transitions in our life and yearly cycle. And for example, even burial sites have sometimes been marked on a pine tree. So yeah, pine has truly been a really, really vital part of the Finnish cultural heritage and the healing traditions. And and true enough, pine uh, is now welcomed into our sauna rituals to really wake us up and heal our wounds, heal our minds, heal our breathing. And when we invite the pine into our sauna, we invite the tree of the sun into our sauna rituals. So let's wake up from the winter with the aid of pine tree.